Hey, it's Mr. Peace here at Lake Elementary School in Oceanside, California, part of the Vista Unified School District, home of the Dolphins, where Dolphins rock. And just another beautiful afternoon, getting to share my heart with the students and staff, part of the AM/PM after school program. And the image on the screen really tied into the main focus for today's message, which was perseverance, the sub-theme being have a growth mindset. And this means really trying to retrain our brain, and change our mindset, change our words, change our attitude, everything, how we approach life. Knowing that yes, some difficult situations are going to arise. We're gonna face problems, we're gonna face pain, we're gonna face a lot of things that, like we talked about, like the dirt on our back, but we can shake it off, we can step it up, right? We can start to form more healthy habits of one of them being how we talk to ourselves, right? Either positive or negative, or how we talk towards others, positive or negative, where we are able to kind of almost have that self-belief to know that we can do anything, that we never quit, we keep going, we keep trying, try our hardest, and we also encourage others around us to do the same. And that starts with understanding how important each of us are, like the miracle concept we talk about in every presentation that I give. The lines on our hand with the letter M. M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy. We're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. Once we understand that and buy into it, we know that there's nothing that can stop us, right? And yes, there's going to be some mean words or mean actions that get done towards us, or we're going to go through loss. We're going to go through things that are heavy on the heart. But those are opportunities to make us stronger if we let them. And that's why I wear this shirt like I do for the Positivity Assembly as well. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose. So if you're feeling down, looking down, or feeling sad, it's a reminder to keep your head up, right? To keep thinking positive no matter what. And knowing that if we fail, it doesn't make us a failure. If we make a mistake, it doesn't make us a mistake. I love all around the campus, there's different signage. This one right here is really cool, just on their piano right here in the NPR where we have the program today. But it said, it's okay to make a mistake when you've tried. It's a mistake not to try. And someone that's not trying, someone that isn't willing to grow, improve each and every day, each and every moment, that's someone that we say has a fixed mindset. We don't want to have a fixed mindset. We want to have a growth mindset, right? Where it's an attitude of, I might have not learned this yet, but I will, that challenges may come, but that can make me a better person, right? That mistakes are invaluable, right? They're something that can make us better and better. And, to know that whatever we face, whatever challenge comes our way, we're going to approach it with a growth mindset, knowing that, hey, I could get really down. I could feel defeated. I could feel like I just want to give up, like there's no way this is going to ever work, that I just can't do it. But we know that don't quit also says do it, right? And that we can do it, and we just do it. And so the students came up to me afterwards that said, you keep inspiring me, and I only have sometimes 25, 30, 35 minutes with a group of students. But to know that some of those words are ringing true, some of the inspirational videos, some of the motivational stories, some of the heartfelt exercises, all of that combined is really reaching them, knowing that they are somebody, that they have this ability to, be whatever they want to be. And whatever path they decide to choose, they know they can make a difference even at a young age, right? Like some of the anecdotes that I shared today. So again, things touching my heart. This is my final visit for this school year, but have a great rest of 2024, 2025, great summer, and hope to see you again in the fall for some more visits in the future. Until then though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.